Change pa.
Hindi, ayaw eh. Hindi ako kayo si Jay.
Oo. Sorry, late ako ah.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Ano, malita, Japan. Saan kasama mo?
Sige, ayaw eh.
Ikaw na lang mag-score, akin na yan, akin na yung cellphone mo.
Send mo sa akin. Send mo sa akin, Jay.
Tama ka.
Ano ka dito?
Mat ah. Asikaso lang ako, Mat.
Wala pa, dito.
Lance! Yan na lang gawin kong score.
Pwede yung papapapayin ng twin yan, namamatay yan.
Sige lang. Type C to, di ba?
50 seconds.
First person na foul. Second team foul.
First personal foul, second team foul,
Number 21.
number 21. Ten seconds. End of the first.
Second quarter na, no?
Traveling. Blackwood.
Sige, ako na dito. Sige. Two points lang.
Power na wala na charger.
Blackwood. Rebound by White. Pass to number 23. Good. 12-25.
Number 23 Manaloto. Ito number 05. Si
Jim dribbling. Screen by number 5. Pass to his teammates sa gilid. Pass to number 43 to Luces. Picked up by number 10. White team. Roberto. Pass to number 21, number 23. It's good. Scores 14-25. Number 13, Pasa ilalim. White team, 6 minutes 36. White team, pass number 10. To white shirt for 3. Go.
Si Albert yun, Albert.
Sablay ni Albert. Rebound by number 10. Struggles. Back to Albert. To number 23. 23, two-step. Maybe. Oh no. Foul committed by.
Sino foul?
43. First personal foul. First team foul.
First personal by Kim, number 43. First team foul. Two shot, number 23. James. Basket. Basket.
Lance, pahanap nga yung power bank na may charger. Pahanap nga yan. Hindi makita eh. Kailangan natin mag-charge. Wala dito sa box eh. Diyan na sa mga plastic.
Number 23. Inaharas by number 13. Steal by number 13.
Oh, may wire yan, may wire.
Logan. Oh! Dali lang, may basa. Tama. 3 Sablay, base rebound by 23. Pass to steal by number 5. To his teammate. Black jersey, no, rebound by number 23, James. Same ball. Change back.
Grabe yung tricycle dyan. Na-delay kami. Ha? Kinuha. Pinakarga ko yung gamit. Ano sa countryside na nakita traffic. Binulik. Gago. Natanda mo yung number ng tricycle. Reklamo ko sa presidente nila yun. Ay, boss. Oh, nalaro ko dito. Ha?
Training. Nalaro siya?
Oo. Papawis lang naman yan. Hindi na... Jordan Santana.
Alam siya, Jay?
Ano palagay Jordan Santana? Kanino? Sino kampiyon?
Basket is good.
Saan yung sa black? Ay, ano, 27?
Black shirt tayo. No, Sablay rebound. Same ball, 14 to shoot.
Lagay ko sa block.
Kampi ni Dimal. Kampi mo, pre.
Wala daw yung chat.
Pang ano siya, pang number 15.
Siya yung bumalik din kay ano.
Ikaw ang nag-reply?
Pasa ilalim. Dupsilu, foul committed by number 1. Holding foul.
Hindi na yan. Ha?
Hindi, second personal foul.
Daniel, second personal foul. First team foul. Sensya na, delay tayo. Sakto lang, konti lang.
Sige po, sige.
Number 21. Pass number 10. Larson of 21, 2 drops. It's good. Score is 18-27. Lumipad next shot. No supply. Rebound by Black. White brother. Fortuna handling. Fortuna pass to number 10.
Si Alberto.
Alberto balik to Fortuna. Jay nag-iisip. 10 seconds to shoot. Albert for 3. Sabi na pasa pala yun. No, rebound by na Black team. 3 minutes and 11. Two-step tayo. Good. 29-18. Favor of Black. Number 23, left shot. Right shot, brother. Rebound by number 12. Number 12, steal by Albert.
Albert, mataba.
Jab step, number 23. Jab step ulit. Atake, fakes. Step through. And it's good. 20-29. 9-point lead by Black. 28 to number 12. Number 18, elbow shot, no. Rebound by number 10. Line violation, rep. Teka, palitan tayo ang bola. Tayo lang. Palitan natin yung bola. Okay. Yan natin, palitan bola. Pero muna bola, rep. Mga player. May pangalan naman yan, di ba? Okay. Good. Side shot, no good. Rebound by 23. James against number 12. James two-step. Daan, parang luka lang. Rebound by number 21. Behind the back. Pass to his teammate. Sa ilan ng rating back to 3 seconds. White team, 29-20 in favor of Black. For 3. No, rebound by Black team. Trapas. Foul committed. Traveling call. White ball. Foul throw shot sa gitna. No, rebound by Black number. Pass to number 28. Number 28. No. Rebound ng kampi niya. It's good.
Basket yan ang pangalan.
Ito si Alfie.
Alfie?
Alfie.
No basket. 31-20 in favor of Black. Two-step drop pa sa ilalim. Good. 42 seconds.
Lopez.
Basket by Lopez. 21. Binitbit and is fouled. 34 seconds. Foul committed by foul by Alfie. First personal. First team foul.
Sumot.
Now go 34 seconds. For three by Black. White ball for three. No, rebound by 18. 18 behind Black. Basket. 38-20.
Change ko na.
Sa third quarter, isa sa fourth quarter.
Score natin 30-28.
Third quarter. Dali lang, i-break mo muna. Dali lang, ano space ko lang.
5 minutes.
Ah, sige.
Sige, go.
Sige, 5 minutes. Sige, 5 minutes. Sige, ako na yan.
Rep, half time muna saglit. Break muna, break. Ah, dali lang, okay.
Sounds ka.
Half time ka, half time.
Kasi parang hindi naman ito, nakapasok yung kasama natin isang free shot. Half shot. Kaya hindi man yun.
Ano score? 21? Dali, edit lang ako ng score. Dali. Hindi yung ginagamit nyo ngayon?
Pasa sa ilalim, good. Fourteen, 21. Foul throw shot low, Gagwan. Rebound by number right. Basket by number 10. 23-40. Rebound by 21. 23, pasabit shot, no. Put back in by number 21. Daniel, 25-40. Foul committed by
Wala.
balik mo na yung Lance dito, wala. Ayaw talaga. Rebound by 10. Charging by number 21, Fortuna.
Ilan na sa Fortuna?
Fortuna, second personal.
Sino? 23 to.
Correction, number 23. Ilang foul?
Reggie, ikaw ang nawala. Wala ka ng internet.
Connect ka dito. Nakabukas yung hotspot. Ano na, 40 lang? 42.
Walang internet yung link. Ito ang pangalan nito.
Yan, Ming nga. Minsan wala ka ba internet?
Wala na, okay na. Malit na.
Ayun o. Wala eh, 40-27. May nanonood eh. Ayan. 40, wala. Igalaw mo lang, bawas mo.
Ito na.
Diba? 42.
Crossover by number, back to number 3 for 3. 3.
Lance. Dapat din eh.
Fortuna. Long bomb. No, rebound by number 5. 43, pass to back at it, number 21 rebound, 8 minutes. Fortuna floater. No. Black ball. 43 spins. Left shot, no good. Rebound by number 10. Number 23. Traveling.
Sir, kahit time up.
Number 3, penetrate. Kick out sa labas. Line violation. Whitey.
Massage eh?
Penetrates a fly rebound by number 43. Pass to his teammates sa ilalim. It's good. 47-27. Misdirection. 23. Basket.
29-47. Sa pangalan ito nakaprint. Okay.
Jesse, no good. Number 13, pass sa ilalim. Picked up by Jesse. Jesse again against number 21. Sandali lang daw. 10 seconds to shoot. Number 3. Game for 3. Go. Rebound by Jesse. Put back. And he's fouled. Foul committed by 21.
Second personal foul.
Second personal. 13 foul. Two shot by Jesse. Last shot. Number 6.
Pangalan yun.
Fortuna sa 3. No, rebound by Black, number 13. Pass to Jesse. Jesse, floater pass, fakes by number 13.
49.
Step through, no basket. 43.
Pag siya magbasa na.
Change 5. Change 5.
Sim, okay, sim na lang. Down na lang. Mismo sa video.
Gigi, ano yun? 2 points. 51-29.
Wala okay. Technical foul lang.
Sinong tumitira? Alberto?
Si Albert.
No basket by Albert. White ball, pass to Fortuna. Fortuna sa 3. 3, J. Fortuna.
32? 51.
Score 51-32 in favor of Black. Oh, navy blue. Pass to 28. Jump set. Drop pass sa ilang may number 20 or 12. (53-32) in favor of Black. Pass to number 18, Padens foul.
Herrera, second personal foul.
Herrera, second personal. 13 foul by White. Basket by Aquino.
Aquino?
Steal by Black. Drop pass. Timeout, White.
Basket.
Alin? 56, no?
Official score 56-32 in favor of Black. Lance, ayaw, wala.
Lance.
Laro-laroin mo lang, balik mo sa 56-32.
Wala, 54. Ayan, ako.
Sapa.
Anong
Okay na. 3 minutes 35.
Ay, di ba?
Magandang maulan sa inyong lahat. White ball. Twenty-three. Inatrap siya. Steal by 12. Para may play. Fortuna, steal. Up. Ayan, tinama. Okay lang, boss.
Natakot na mostly. Natakot na kay Lance.
Okay, good job, good. Steal by number 12 and to number 18.
18 ba yun?
Blocking foul by Aquino.
Yan na si Akin.
Aquino, second personal. 13 foul by Tarty. Fortuna. Pinatrap siya ng Tarty. Fortuna. Pass to step through by number 23. Rebound by Aquino. Spins. Aquino. Drop pass sa kampo niya. Good. 62-32. Steal by Tarty, number 12. Topsido is good. 64-32. Pass to Bert. Bert drop pass to number 21. What a pass. Pwede pa yan. Last 2 minutes sa third. Substitution.
Ano lang yun, download.
Basket by Aquino.
66.
Basket by number 20.
Hindi, sa ano yun? Sa connection. Connection talaga.
Basket by number 12. Pass to Berg. Nag-trap na naman ang Dark team. Number 28. Same ball. Lumipad, walang foul. Rebound by Black, 30 seconds. Fakes. No. Put back in by 23, rebound by 12. 10 seconds. For 3, no. 5 seconds. End of the third quarter.
Lance! Edit mo, Port! Tsaka 68. Port! Okay na.
Back to the ball game, fourth quarter, score 68-34 in favor of Black. Next game, red versus black. Get ready. Fortuna sa tres. Rebound by number 5 to Jesse. Jesse. Nilusutan ang dalawa. Number 5 for 2. Kick out to number 10, fakes. Number 10 penetrates, left shot, good. 36-70, favor of black. Jesse's a tres no. Back to number 5, no good. To number 21, to 23, left shot, no, rebound by 43. Back to Aquino. Aquino, left shot, good. 72-36. Levy Boy penetrates. Umukol low, rebound by number 5. Basa.
Nasa mo.
No good.
Aquino, elbow.
Foul committed by who's foul, bro? Herrera. Herrera, third personal. First team foul by White. Two shot by Quintile. Second attempt. No. Steal by Tark. Drop pass to number 13. Number 18, Aquino. 3 seconds. White ball. Eight minutes and 10. Number 10 for 3. Oh! Fouled sa 3-point arc by
Sino yung foul?
Number 5.
number 5.
First personal foul.
First personal by Lionel. And first team foul by Black.
Sino yung pangalan ng
Two shot by Alberto.
Basket first.
3 shot rather. Second attempt, good. Basket. Tatlo, pasok. Jesse sa tres. 3 by Jesse. To 23. Drop pass sa kampi niya, steal by Darkin. Back to Jesse, Jesse back to back. No, rebound by number 21. To Fortuna. Back to number 21. Yes, sir.
41-76.
To Aquino.
78-41.
Now rebound by 23. 23 sa gilid for 3. Rebound. Pass to Aquino. Aquino, yes sir. 80-41.
Di updated eh.
21 for 3.
Di updated. Di ano mo. Ganun mo.
Rebound by Jesse. Jesse, back-to-back 3 kaya? No, rebound. Kuha pa rin ni Jesse. Jesse, alley pass to his teammate sa ilalim.
Tiyan mo na lahat.
21 against number 18 to number 21 for 3 white team. 3 by white team.
Konti lang yung puti. Ito yata anin. Hindi isa yung puti.
Good, good, good.
Fortuna sa 3. 3 J Fortuna.
Sige, nakatas ka.
Ewan ko.
Tayo pass to Jesse to number 13. Tayo ulit. Basket by Tayo. Number 10. For 3, number 10, no. Put back by number 23. Niluwak. Aquino against Fortuna. Aquino behind the back, passing unit. Side shot, good. 86-47. 5 minutes and 5. Crossover. No again. Rebound by 43. Luces. Change 5 or substitution. Change 5, change 5. Back to the ball game, white ball, steal by Aquino. Aquino, sasalpak. Number 10, pass to Fortuna. Fortuna, low bomb.
Yung si Jay Fortuna yung nakapras ka. Sabi yung isa. Yung sisingit ko. Tingin mo yung sisingit ko.
21. Now rebound by white team. 4 minutes and 5. Pass Mabog, number 23. Good.
Dito na tayo. Dito yung nilakay. Dito na pinakam ng blind anim ng sila. Para na. Ito para ito.
4-4-0-5. Ilan sila dyan?
Konting to eh.
Oo.
Ano para sa check nila? Ano yung sila nito? Count payment talaga. Nila 1.2 isa.
Kalahati mo.
140 di ba? Okay ako dito.
Basket is good. Substitution.
Kalahati, may kalahati pa sila. Hindi ano, 120 na sila.
Oo. Nag-uusap na kami yan. Oh, 54? 52? 52?
Score is 88-52. For 3, Jesse. No, rebound by number 10. 3 minutes 5.
Asa rin lang. Papawis lang, no?
Sobra yung sabihin ni
Ano spin?
Di ba 15-15?
Oo. Paano sobra?
Nakakalis na ba siya?
Oo. Tingnan mo nga. May sobra ba?
Nakakalis na rin siya rito?
Oo. Nakay ano yung latest ano, listahan, si ano nag-ano? Si McRae.
Isa sa ano? May
Aquino for 3. Oh,
tinanggal ka na rito?
Oo. Saan yung Jordan sa tahanan niya?
Wala.
Bagay, baka hindi ano updated yung listahan natin ha.
Jesse for 3.
Malagay siya 5-7.
Rebound by Aquino. No.
Sakto yun.
Malalaman mo yan.
Fortuna for 3.
Fortuna.
Hindi mo nga kailangan. Si drive mo.
Yung sa notepad yung ano eh, yung official eh.
Jesse left shot.
Lagay ko sa stop mo.
Jay Fortuna.
Okay na. Diba?
61, 61.
Kala ko, lang bigla.
Siya nag-take over kasi wala ako eh, di ba? Nandun yung sa computer. Nandun siya kanina eh.
Huwag ako dito.
Jay Fortuna.
Cancel daw. Cancel daw laro.
Crossover by Dark. Save by Pero White Ball. 1 minute and 8. Steal by number 12. Bomb bomb. No, rebound by Bert. Number 23. Nakakuha pa ng ball and it's good. And 1. Who's foul, Rev?
Basta kanina, start kanina.
13 na lang. Ay, 14.
14 foul by Park. No good.
Uy, lahat is school ko. Wala na. At least is school ko. Ikaw kasi ng mandaro.
Jesse. Black team for 3. No, rebound by number 23. Loose ball foul. White ball.
Ang bigay niya Santa Ana. Ay, wala ba? Ayari kayo kaya. Mga pala.
23.
Uy, kakuti mo na yung start free.
Basket.
Ba't yung Florida?
Bakit? Papawis naman. Bigyan mo. Hindi, may jersey ako. Ikaw magpang dyan.
5 seconds.
Ikaw na magbigay, ikaw na mag-abot. Ayusin mo yung lineup.
Nice game! Final score 94-69. Kamay po tayo, kamay. Tsaka po sa team picture kung gusto nyo mag-team picture.